Welcome to the Dex Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. In today's video, we're exploring how a specialized Raydium AMM meme token holder increase bot can provide a significant advantage for token creators. We'll dive into how it works, how it increases your token's holders, and how this can help boost your ranking on platforms like DexTools and DexScreener. If you're a token creator looking to enhance your project's visibility and activity, stay with us. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Dex Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. If you're looking for strategies to increase your meme token's market presence on Raydium AMM and rank higher on DexTools and DexScreener, you're in the right place. Today we're showcasing how a holder increase bot can help you achieve these goals by creating numerous wallets and placing small buy and sell orders. Let's dive into how it works and why it's a game changer for meme token projects. What is a holder increase bot? A holder increase bot is an automated tool designed to increase the number of holders of your token. It achieves this by creating a large number of unique wallets and strategically placing small buy and sell orders. Here's how this approach benefits your project. Boosting holder count. By creating many wallets and distributing your token across them, the bot simulates organic growth and adoption, boosting your holder count. Increasing market activity. The bot not only creates holders but also places small buy and sell orders from these wallets. This boosts trading activity, which can make your token appear more vibrant and attractive to potential investors. Maker and taker engagement. By placing both buy, maker, and sell, taker orders, the bot contributes to liquidity and trading volume. This makes your token more appealing on Raydium AMM and other decentralized platforms. How the bot works. Let's break down the step-by-step process of how this bot operates and supports your project's growth. Creation of multiple wallets. The bot is capable of generating a high number of unique wallets. Each wallet acts as an independent holder, making it seem as though there is a broad base of support for your token. Token distribution. Once the wallets are created, the bot sends small amounts of your token to each one. This spreads out the token supply and increases the holder count in a way that appears natural, placing small buy and sell orders. After the wallets are populated, the bot begins placing small buy and sell orders. This boosts trading volume and ensures that your token shows continuous activity on Raydium AMM. Repetition for consistency. The bot can repeat these actions at set intervals to maintain consistent market activity. This ensures your token stays active, which is key for gaining and retaining attention on DexTools and DexScreener. Advantages of using the holder increase bot. Enhanced visibility on DexTools and DexScreener. Ranking boost. Both DexTools and DexScreener use holder count and trading volume as part of their ranking algorithms. By increasing your holders and trading activity, your token can rank higher, making it more visible to potential investors. Greater exposure. Higher rankings lead to better visibility, attracting new traders who are scanning these platforms for trending tokens. Improved credibility. Increased trust. A token with a significant number of holders and active trading gives the impression of a well-supported project. This can attract real investors and build community trust. Community growth. As your token becomes more visible and credible, more users are likely to join, creating an organic cycle of growth. Liquidity and market depth. Sustained market activity. By placing both buy and sell orders, the bot contributes to the liquidity of your token. This makes it more attractive for traders, ensuring smoother transactions and price stability. Scalable solution. Flexible strategy. The bot can be customized to create as many wallets as needed, allowing you to scale up or down based on your project's current objectives. Cost-effective. The strategy of placing small orders helps maintain a higher holder count without significant financial investment, making it ideal for meme token projects that require budget-friendly solutions. Now, let's take a quick look at how the holder increase bot works in real time. Bot setup and configuration. We'll configure the bot to create hundreds of wallets and set the token distribution amount. This is where you determine how much of your token to send to each wallet and the frequency of buy and sell orders. Activation and execution. Watch as the bot begins creating wallets, distributing tokens, and placing small buy and sell orders across Raydium AMM. Monitoring results. We can track the increase in holder count and trading activity to observe how these actions impact your token's performance on DexTools and DexScreener. As you can see, the bot operates seamlessly, creating active holders and driving market activity efficiently. That's a wrap on how the Raydium AMM meme token holder increase bot works, and why it's such a powerful tool for boosting your project's visibility and credibility. By leveraging this bot, you can increase holders, rank higher on DexTools and DexScreener, and enhance your token's market presence. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights from the Dex Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. For personalized assistance or to develop your Volume Bot app tailored to your project's needs, contact us at Ranga Technologies. Let's help you create a winning strategy for your token's success. Stay innovative, stay ahead, and see you in the next video.